Hey guys, Steve, KO4AFL, here with John from SteppIR, and he's going to tell us about the SteppIR antenna.
Hey, thanks, Steve. I will do that. By the way, I'm John, WA7IR. I'm one of the founders of SteppIR. And what you're looking at right here is our EHU, that's Element Housing Unit. This is the glue of the antenna system for all SteppIR antennas. And what we have is copper beryllium, very little beryllium, just enough to give it a spring-like characteristic, so it can go in and out many times. And it is driven, it's indexed, so it's got little holes going through it, and it's indexed and put on a sprocket that's driven by SteppIR motors. And so that's where we got our name. It's SteppIR with the IR instead of the ER, because my brother and I started this company 21 years ago, and we both had IR calls, and so that's how we made the company, at least for the name. And there's a lot of people that call it SteppIR IR and SteppIR, and you can call it anything you want. We're happy with all of it. But what we have is the SteppIR motors drive the sprocket, or the actual radiator, which is the copper beryllium strip, and a electronic controller controls this from your ham shaft, and you adjust it to the exact length it needs to be on any given frequency. So on a Yagi antenna, it'll adjust the antenna to the length that a driven needs to be, the length that a reflector or director needs to be, and so you have an optimized Yagi on every single frequency within its range. And with the SteppIR, it has a couple extra features that normal antennas don't have, like we have a 180-degree mode. That's where you click a button and instantly your antenna changes direction to 180 degrees. So if you're pointed north, it takes you south. We also have bidirectional, which is a means to have an antenna going on the Yagis, and so you get gain in opposite directions at the same time. We also have a retract button, so in inclement weather like hurricanes or tornadoes, ice storms, you can retract this all the way in, and all that's exposed to the elements is the non-conductive fiberglass holes that house the copper beryllium. So that's kind of a nutshell on what it does, and we're happy to be chatting to you. I'm taking over ham sales again, so if you call in or you're interested in our product, I'll be the person answering the phones, and I'm happy to help out however I can.
All right, thank you, John.
All right, you're welcome.
Pleasure to meet you.